Hi, what's going on everyone? It's Jono here from jono-armstrong.com. Welcome to my CPA Pirate review. Now I'm here inside of the CPA Pirate members area and I'm going to give you a full demo of exactly what this is all about inside of this review video. In a nutshell, it's going to teach you how to run YouTube ads to CPA offers. Now this is something that not a lot of people are doing, and you can make a lot of money from CPA without having to have an email list. I mean, you can, it's optional to build one from the traffic that you generate, but you don't have to have an email list. That's one of the good things about this. You can generate some fast cash doing this method. Now, sorry, I'm not on my computer today. I just got back from the doctors, the gynecologist. I went there with my wife just before and couldn't really be asked to fire up my computer, so I decided to do this on my phone from my bedroom. So anyway, this is the members area. Now if this does sound like something that you would be interested in, then stick with me during this review, because I've put together a bonus bundle for you guys, which I'm going to show you now. Okay, so if you click on the link in the description of this YouTube video, then you'll come through to this page right here. Okay, this is my bonus page where I host all my bonuses for CPA Pirate. And if you'd like to pick this up at any time during this review video, all you need to do first of all is click on the link down below in the description of this video, come through to this page, scroll down, Jonas, scroll down and then click on any of these yellow buttons right here that are situated throughout my page. That'll take you through to the sales page, which looks like this, where you'll be able to purchase CPA Pirate. Okay, but you'll need to do that before this countdown timer runs out, because when it does, this bonus page will expire and so will all these bonuses that I put together for you, and that's something that I don't want you to miss out on, because I spent a while putting these bonuses together so that you get the best out of CPA Pirate as possible. Now these are all custom bonuses that I've made myself. They're not going to be available through anybody else's link apart from mine, because they're exclusive to me. Okay, these bonuses will be delivered to you instantly and completely free of charge if you buy via my link. Now, this first bonus, I'm going to show you how to make a landing page template, and I'm also going to give you, I'm going to show you how to make a landing page. I'm going to give you a template that you can use as your landing page, because this strategy, this method, does require you to have a landing page for these CPA stuff. So I've made life easier for you by giving you a template that you can just go and use straight away in that first bonus. Okay, bonus number two, because inside of CPA Pirate they're telling you to use a plugin for your WordPress blog, which is called InstaBuilder 2.0. Now, InstaBuilder is going to cost you around $76, I think. However, inside of this second hack here, I'm going to show you how you can get InstaBuilder for just $10. Okay, I'm going to show you where you can get it from for just $10, so saving you a ton of money right there. Okay, bonus number three, I'm going to show you how you can get guaranteed acceptance into Cash Network. Cash Network is a CPA network, and it's one of the best CPA networks, and it's one that they are talking about inside of CPA Pirate. So it's not really that easy to get accepted into, but using this hack I'm going to show you a guaranteed way that you can get into Cash Network. Okay, bonus number four, I'm going to give you my Bing training, my own personal Bing training. This is another way to get traffic. So it's a way for you to get free, well, it's not free, but I show you a hack where you can get it for pretty much 90% off. Okay, 90% discount for this traffic. Okay, so I'll show you how to set up the campaigns and get some really cheap and targeted traffic to your CPA pages. Bonus number five, I'm going to show you the best way to get subs and clicks to your notifications. Okay, and bonus number six, I'm going to give you access to a chat box that you can use on your WordPress site. Okay, this is a plugin, premium plugin that I have white label rights to give away. It's not crappy PLR. Okay, I've paid money to buy the white label rights to give this away for you guys. So you're going to be able to set this up, this chat box, on your WordPress sites. Okay, so those are all my bonuses. Now, to claim those bonuses, all you need to do first of all is click on the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. Come to this bonus page, scroll down and click on any of these yellow buttons. Okay, that'll take you through to the sales page, which looks like this, where you'll be able to purchase CPA Pirate. Now, as soon as you've gone through checkout, you'll be instantly given these bonuses. Okay, all you need to do is go to your Warrior Plus account. Okay, on the top right hand side of the page there's a little button that says bonuses, that says purchase history. Click on there, click on CPA Pirate, and then you'll come to a page that looks like this one just over here on the left. Okay, and there'll be a little blue button that says bonuses from Jono. That's where all of these bonuses are going to be waiting for you, completely free of charge, as soon as you've gone through checkout. So if you do click on the link down below in the description, come through to this page and click on any of these yellow buttons, you'll come through to this sales page here. So, case study: how we're building unlimited passive income machines for $5 a day and turning each of them into $332.25 a day in totally passive income. Watch this short video for methods, details, proof, and how to get started fast. So check out the video. Okay, it's not completely passive income because you are going to have to set up these YouTube ads. However, there is some free traffic methods inside of here, which once you do set them up, they will be able to get you some passive money. However, you won't be making $332.25 per day unless you use the video ads, which is not completely passive. Okay, so I'm just clearing up that headline for you. Anyway, fresh case study: daily passive profits. Right, this isn't completely fresh. Okay, I don't know if you came through to this from my email list, but I did send a video earlier on saying that this product was actually launched around 6 months ago. Okay, so and I can't remember the name of it 6 months ago. It was CPA something, CPA, can't remember. But this is basically the same course. Okay, so if you did buy this, it was a product by Artflair and Pallab Goshal. If it sounds familiar to you, if you already have it somewhere, this is the exact same videos. Okay, the exact same course, it's just got a different name. So if you already got that, then there's no point in you buying this again, because it's exactly the same. And that makes this not really a new method. But everything else, I mean, it's a brilliant method. It is a really good way of making some money online, but it's not new, and it's been released before. Okay, but like I said, if you didn't pick this up last time, 6 months ago, then you should pick it up now. So anyone can do this. Only $5 to $20 budget to get started. Like I said, yeah, there's some free traffic training inside of here as well. Newbie friendly method: learn how to be profitable with paid traffic the easy way. Perfect for newbies and struggling marketers. Works for anyone looking to add passive income. Okay, it's not passive. I don't know why they're saying it's passive. It does take a little bit of time to get the ads set up, but I guess once they are set up, then it is pretty passive. You won't really have to do much work. Set up, forget, enjoy the profits. Knowledge not taught by other courses due to creating competition. I don't know what that means. Anyway, come and check out the sales page here, because there's a ton of info on here that you should really read about before you choose to purchase this. So go and have a look. There's a ton of pirates and stuff on here. I don't know why it's called CPA Pirate. It's got nothing to do with pirate stuff, but anyway, it's a pretty cool name. Anyway, go and check this out in your own time by clicking on the link down below in the description of this YouTube video, coming through to this bonus page right here, scrolling down and clicking on any of these yellow buttons here. That'll take you through to the sales page, so go and check it out in your own time. I'm going to jump into the training area now. So this is the members area right here. You have the you have a video, you have the introduction video, and then you have another video, why CPA. Now this has been this is on his previous launch. Okay, this was done 6 months ago, so I know what this is all about. Video 2, the Pro CPA Marketer's Approach 1, the Pro CPA Marketer's Approach 2. Is just going to tell you some kind of psychology behind marketing that you need to know, and also spying on your competition. How to get accepted into CPA networks, additional CPA networks. Okay, this additional CPA networks here is the one where they talk about Cash Network. Okay, where are we? Additional CPA, that's the Cash Network one. How to pick the right niche and offers. Blueprint and introduction to the traffic goldmine, which is YouTube. Okay, setting up your account, setting up your YouTube account, your AdWords account, linking your AdWords account to YouTube. How to get a free $100 ad coupon. Okay, it's not free, you're going to have to pay about $10 for it, but still it's great because it means you save yourself a ton of money. Types of YouTube ads. How to legally use other people's content. That's pretty cool because it means, I mean, since you're using YouTube ads, it is going to revolve around videos, but this particular video number 12 here is going to show you how to legally use other people's videos for your own ads, so it's pretty awesome. Okay, alternative content creation. How to create a campaign lander, the landing page. You are going to have to use InstaBuilder for that, but luckily I do. In my bonus, I give you a hack where you get it for $10 instead of like $77, I think it is. Setting up in-stream ads, setting up discovery ads, tweaking and optimizing your campaign, increasing your profitability. Then organic free YouTube traffic. This is pretty good, especially if you're just getting started, you don't have money to spend on ads. 9 steps to optimize your video. I think that's a new video there. Free views, likes, comments, Facebook group. How to steal organic traffic from others. And then you have access to your bonuses there as well. So that's what you can expect to get inside of CPA Pirate. It's a pretty good training course, although, like I said, it has been released before. So if you did buy it last time under the different name, I can't remember what it was, but if you did get it before, there's no point in getting it again. Okay, the price of this is going to be $9.47. It is going to go up to $12.97 towards the end of this launch, so get in there early. Okay, this did launch an hour ago, so it is still available for $10, but it is going to go up to $13 pretty soon, so pick it up while it's still low. There's a few upsells on here. Okay, the first upsell is $25 to $27. This is a case studies pack. Okay, there's a downsell to that at $15 to $17. Okay, I think it's going to go up to $17 at the end of this launch, but right now it's still $15. Upsell number 2 is a done for you platinum pack. This is $27. Okay. Downsell to that is a done for you light version for $17. And then upsell number 3 is the reseller's license. This is $47. And there's a downsell to that at $27. I don't recommend getting the downsell because it will only give you 100% commissions on the front end, which you can get by being an affiliate anyway, so pretty pointless. If you are going to get the reseller's license, get the full one, not the downsell. Upsell number 4 is 6 coaching calls, and that's going to be $197. Downsell to that is 3 coaching calls for $97. What do I recommend? I'd probably get the case studies pack for $25. I would probably get the done for you platinum pack because that's going to save you a ton of time doing research and creating these ads, because it's all done for you there, which you could just copy and paste straight in. I wouldn't bother with the reseller's license. It's completely up to you. The coaching calls, I don't know. It's up to you. If you feel you need coaching in that, then get it. Get the 6 coaching calls, not the 3 ones. If you don't really need coaching, then obviously don't buy that. So don't forget to check out my bonuses, because I put a ton of bonuses together for you guys. And yeah, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this CPA Pirate review, and I'll speak to you on the next one. All the best. Take care. See ya.